In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checklist in Microsoft Planner. We'll go through this step by step, ensuring you can easily customize your tasks with checklists in no time. So grab a cup of coffee, and let's get started with the process. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Microsoft Planner. It's straightforward to find, and once you're there, navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the sign-in option. Click on that to proceed. If you have an existing Microsoft 365 account, you might be automatically signed in, which makes things a bit quicker. If not, you'll need to enter your email address and password. It's important to have these details at hand to avoid delays. Now that you're signed in, it's time to navigate to the plan and task where you intend to add your checklist. This involves locating your specific project or task category, which should be easy if you've organized your planner effectively. Once you've found the right spot, select the task you're focusing on. This will allow you to expand its details panel, giving you all the information related to that task. In this details panel, there's a specific section labeled Checklist. It's placed prominently, so go ahead and locate that. In the Checklist section, you'll see an option or a button to Add an item. This is your gateway to start crafting your checklist. Go ahead and click on that. Now, this is where the fun part begins: typing out your checklist. Type in the first step or item you need, and then press Enter. Doing so will not only add this item to your checklist, but also create a new line for your next item. The interface is intuitive, allowing you to swiftly add all your planned tasks or subtasks without any hassle. Continue this process, typing and pressing Enter, until you've added all the desired checklist items you need for your task. Take your time to ensure each step is accurately represented, as clarity is key to efficient task management. With your checklist complete, you can simply click outside the Task Details panel or select the X to close it. This action will save your checklist automatically, ensuring all your input is preserved. And there you have it. Your checklist is now integrated into your task. This feature is a great tool to break down larger tasks into manageable parts, helping you stay organized and efficient. Feel free to explore and make the most out of Microsoft Planner's functionality. Thanks for watching, and happy planning.